Hello guys, hope you are all doing fine. Today I am going to guide you how to watch a playlist to gain watch hours. So the first thing in going to watch the playlist are the browsers. So there are many browsers available in the market you can use to watch playlist, but there are some which show history with time. So those browsers are preferred like Chrome, Chromium, Vivaldi, Yandex, Avast, Slim Browser, SlimJet, SeaMonkey. If you search on the internet, you will find many browsers which show history with time. So you are going to install those browsers, and then you can paste their shortcuts in one single folder so that they are easily manageable. Here you can see I have pasted all my browser shortcuts in a single folder named browser. So then the next thing you are going to do is that after installation of browser is that you are going to install the extension named YouTube Nonstop. You are simply going to search it on the browser and it will take you to Google Chrome Store, and from there you can just add it to your browser. It's asking do you understand it, just say yes and install it. And here you can see its icon is added into my browser. So basically what this extension does is that it does not allow your playlist to be paused by YouTube. So this extension is very important and you have to install it on every browser. You can install it easily on Avast, Chrome, Chromium, SlimJet, Yandex, Vivaldi. All these browsers, Firefox support this YouTube Nonstop extension, and it's easily added as an extension to these browsers. So once you have added this extension, we will move on to the next step. The next step is taking history player screenshots. So I will guide you step by step. First step was installing the browsers which show history with time. Second step was adding YouTube Nonstop extension to all these browsers. Third step is now taking screenshots of the history. So before playing any playlist, the first thing is that you have to go to the history and clear all browsing data, and make sure that all these options are taken. You clear cache data, you clear cookies, you clear saved password, you clear browsing history, and you will clear it. And you will clear the history of all the browsers you are managing like this. Here you can see I am clearing all all the options are checked by default, so I will just click clear. So you can see other browser history is already clear. I am just using 4 browsers as a demo. It all depends upon you and your system health and system specs, that how many browsers you can manage. So first step was installing the browser, second was adding the YouTube Nonstop extension, third was clearing history. Now fourth step, that how are you going to take history clear screenshots. So there are a couple of options. First is you can simply take a print screen, use your keyboard shortcuts Alt Control print screen or function control print screen, or some laptops also even just support function print screen, and then you can just paste that screenshot in your Paint and save it. I am going to take screenshot of Yandex browser clear screen. So I am going to press function print screen. My laptop supports function print screen, and going to paste it here. You can see it's pasted, and then you can just save it. So since it's Yandex, I say Yandex clear history screenshot, and then you can just save it on your desktop, or even you can make a folder named history like I have made, and you can just save it on your desktop or wherever you like. The second option is a rather lengthy one, that is using the snipping tool of the window. You can just open the snipping tool, new, and then just select the area One thing you have to make sure is that the system date and time is visible in the screenshot, and the screenshots are visible and readable. They must not be blurred and they must be of good quality. So these two options of taking screenshot from snipping tool or by doing a print screen are the best, as they give you the best results. So once you have taken the screenshots of clear history, you will save them. Now the next step comes in is that playing the playlist. And before playing the playlist, the most important thing which many training people ask is that how to set the all the browsers on the screen, because if you leave your browser minimized, you cannot see or you cannot check if the videos are playing or they have stuck or any issue if happened to them, you will not be able to monitor them. So there is a simple option. You will right click on your task menu and you can see option of show windows side by side. Look what when I click show windows side by side, what happens is that when I minimize my browser, it goes to this small browser and it does not get minimized. When you can either do cascade windows or you can either do show windows side by side. In Windows 10 the option is the show windows side by side. In Windows 7 you will select option cascade windows. You can see now in my browsers I can just fit them here. If you are using 6 browsers, you can make 2 rows, 3 in the lower row and 3 in the upper row. Here you can see I will adjust it like this. I will close the history and there you go. I have adjusted my 4 browsers like this. So the next thing is playing the playlist. So I have a playlist link here. This link will be shared in the group on daily basis, and you would have to watch it. Your channel videos will be added in it once you have completed your training. So before copy pasting the playlist link, once again you will make sure that you have cleared history of all your browsers and you have taken screenshot of each browser separately, their clear history screenshots, and make sure that system date and time is available in the screenshot and screenshot is not blurred. So now I am going to paste the playlist in browsers one by one. I usually first paste the playlist in all the browsers which I am using, like this. There you go. Now how I am going to play the playlist and what will be the sequence and what things I have to make sure while playing the playlist. Number one, you are not going to sign in YouTube or your browser with any of your Gmail ID. Make sure you stay logged out at all times. Then if for example Avast is my first browser or I choose Chrome as my first browser, so I will play the first video on my first browser. I am just muting the video because its sound will get recorded in my video and will confuse you, but you have to make sure that you do not mute any video. You keep the sound on. You just lower your system volume and attach hands-free, because if you mute it, there are chances that watch time will get spammed. Second thing is the loop. You have to turn on the loop. You must remember these things when you start playing the playlist. Number one, you are not going to mute the video. Number two, you are going to press the loop icon. You will loop the playlist. Number three, in order to save your bandwidth, you will select the lowest quality 144p. Now comes the browser sequence. Since I selected Avast as my first browser, so I will play first video on my first browser. For the second browser, I will give a gap of 5 videos, so I will play fifth video on the second browser. Again I played the fifth video, press the loop icon, set the video quality to low